everyone. Very long time. I know, but I think, I did explain last time that I'm really not feeling the push to do too many readings at this time because we're not getting too much from spirit. I mean, it's the same old message on and on and on. So um, in that case, I really didn't know what to do. So I was just sitting and thinking. I was like, okay, so everything is happening behind the scenes according to the information. So why don't we look at something behind the scenes? So this is what I have for you today. What is happening behind the scenes for you? Okay, very interesting topic. I know I've done this before, but I think at this time it's like, I have a feeling we need to look at some energies of what's happening behind the scenes, so we have an idea of what we should expect in the future. Okay, and it would be like a little bit of hope for the future as well, right? Okay guys, so with that topic in mind, what is happening behind the scenes for you? Please pick one of my little Buddhas. The first one is the orange Buddha, the second one is the blue Buddha, and the third one is the brown Buddha. Okay, I have a thumbnail which a screenshot which would be even clearer if you can't make out from this. Okay, you can choose more than one pile if you so feel drawn to. Okay, so with that question in mind, please pick your piles. Okay, pause your videos, pick your pile. Okay, so pile number one with the orange Buddha. See, this guy is deeply thinking about something. So it's possible right now you guys are in deep contemplation about what is happening, what is going to happen. I am seeing like a very beatific expression on him, to be honest. He's smiling, and obviously laughing Buddha smile, right? But I don't know, the energy I'm getting from this identifier is that, yeah, you might be waiting for something. Some of you might be dreaming, some of you might be daydreaming, and just I would say hopefully peaceful about what is going to happen in the future. Okay, and if you're not really in a calm energy, then you should get there. Okay, with the orange color here, I am sensing you guys are very passionate people. Okay, very passionate, very creative, very driven. Okay, so maybe the still time is kind of like, might have been irritating you, but I do feel that you guys have come into some sort of surrender. Yeah, some sort of surrender at this time. Okay, however, you still have your goals. You still have your wishes, and you're very positive that they will happen. Okay, and maybe at this time you're just dreaming about how it's going to be when it happens, which is a very beautiful energy to be in. All right, okay, so pile number one, let's start off with your cards. So what is your first card? Oh wow, I was mentioning wish. Oh my gosh, like whatever. Okay, wish, your heart's desire is ready to come true. Yippee. I'm so sorry, I'm so excited because I never saw these cards. I just shuffled and I then put them in, and like this is what is happening. Okay, let's see some more. Malika of Coins, which is Queen of Pentacles. Daughter of Coins. Okay. Yeah, wish. Oh my god, we have the star here. Like, I cannot believe the synchronicities in this card. There is a star here. Oh my gosh, like crazy. And what is the last one? Renewal, rebirth. Examine what you resist discarding. Reassess what needs to be renewed and given a fresh start. Clean up all the things around you that are cluttering your life. Okay, I think I got the gist of it. Okay guys, so what is happening for you behind the scenes? Pile one. See, I'm going to say like as it comes. Okay, you can take the scenarios as they fit. Okay, see, the first thing that I'm getting as a message is there's something about a mother and a daughter. Okay, I don't know, either you guys are mothers and have a kid, mothers or fathers, I mean, take the gender as it fits. Okay, there is something here about a situation to do with a mother and a daughter for a lot of you. Okay, because Queen of Pentacles and Page of Pentacles, this is mother and child. Okay, there is something happening here. I mean, if you guys are in such a situation, Spirit is doing something. I think you have been waiting for something. Like, I'm seeing light hitting this person. You or someone is waiting for something. Okay, and with the Daughter of Coins, it might be something to do with a kid. Okay, I'm seeing this kid pouring water on the plants, so there might be something that is growing. Yeah, something is growing behind the scenes. Okay, something is growing behind the scenes, and it's becoming this. Like, I'm getting, like, from the Daughter of Coins to the Malika of Coins, something is growing behind the scenes. But like I said, I just want to stick to the scenario. There's something here about renewal and rebirth with respect to a parent-child situation. Okay, now with the renewal and rebirth, okay, so I'll go there later. Okay, so one scenario is a parent-child. The other scenario here is something to do with finances. Okay, someone here has planted something and now waiting for something, and this is coming, because we see renewal, rebirth, wish fulfillment going forward. Okay, so the maybe let's just take this as an example. Maybe this is something like a investment, like a financial investment you have done, like savings or something like that, and now it's starting to show. Okay, not fully, I'm just seeing a branch here. Okay, but it's a fully green branch. Here they're just saplings, right? So you are just beginning to see the growth. Okay, now see, since this topic is that of like what's going on behind the scenes, maybe you guys are just like putting in your efforts right now into growing something, and you're just wondering when you're going to see like something. Okay, in terms of like either, like I said, a mother-daughter situation or finances or something like that. Okay, but you are seeing something. Like, honestly, if you see, there is a big branch here that's coming through, and light. Okay, there is a lot more to come. There is a lot more to come. Good things. Okay, good growth is coming here in this situation, and this is what Spirit is working for behind the scenes. Okay, this is what is happening behind the scenes for you guys. There is a huge renewal and rebirth sense I'm having. Okay, so okay, now irrespective of scenarios, okay, whether this is a financial situation, whether this is a like parent situation, whether this is even a job or business situation, I'm not sure. Please apply the situation as it fits. But what I am getting is that see guys, see, you were doing something slowly. Okay, I'm just gonna read the energies. I'm not gonna go by the scenarios. Okay, you were growing something very patiently, very beautifully, but it was slow. Okay, but it was slow, and you were probably wondering like what is going to happen, when is it going to happen. Okay, and just like waiting for the divine to sort of speed up things perhaps, or whatever it is. All right, there is a big sense of waiting. Okay, and something about this energy, you growing something, you kind of like watering something, waiting for something. There is a sense of wish fulfillment in terms of this, right? Because we have two wish cards here, right? Sitara is supposed to be wish. Okay, that's in the Hindu language, this is supposed to be the star. Okay, and we have wish right here. Okay, so there is something here about you having a very dear wish, but the thing is that it's like not happening because you have to maybe grow this, whatever this is. Okay, right now this is the biggest beautiful message that Spirit wants to. I'm so excited. Okay, this Spirit wants to tell you. Okay, first of all, this is card number 5. Okay, 5 is the number of change. Okay, I'm seeing a phoenix bird here. Okay, and I'm going to read out what this card says, and you need to listen. Examine what you resist discarding. Reassess what needs to be renewed and given a fresh start. Clean up all the things around you that are cluttering your life. Exactly, guys. What is happening behind the scenes is that spirit is speeding up your wish fulfillment, and as a result of that, there are certain things that you need to discard. Okay, I'm not sure if this has started happening in your life. Okay, this could be like literal situations, I would say. Literal situations such as, like, let's say you were growing a business and it was not giving you returns. You just discard them and then go for something new, a fresh start, right? I'm seeing a path here as well, like a path to your wish fulfillment. All right, once you discard this thing that is, like, not working, I think a lot of you might be a bit confused or waiting, like, like, what should I do? Like, if I don't grow this, then my wish will not happen. So what should I do? What's happening behind the scenes is you are being readied for a renewal, a rebirth, and a fresh start. Okay, whatever it says, examine what you resist discarding. Okay, what spirit is saying is, at this time, if this has not already happened to you guys, at this time, please look at the things that you know that you have to discard in the sense, like, walk away from. Okay, examine the things that you are resisting, and you will see that this is something that needs to go. Once this goes, you will have your fresh start. Clean up all the things around you that are cluttering your life. Yes, guys. So what is happening here behind the scenes is your life is being cleaned up. Okay, I mean, if I were to tell you in a nutshell, so that you can get to your wish fulfillment. All right, because if it had not been for this renewal, this walking away, then I feel that you would have been stuck in this energy of waiting for, like, ever, like, for who knows how long, right? So what the divine is doing behind the scenes is they are decluttering your life. Now, it could be in terms of anything. Like I said, one scenario I'm getting is some sort of a mother-daughter situation. Second scenario I'm getting is some sort of growing a business, like, a home business and waiting for results, or a certain business. I mean, it's not necessarily home. Okay, for some of you, I'm getting, like, it could even be at work, like your job, right? You have been waiting and working on your, whatever you've been allotted, and you're just waiting for a promotion, but it's just not coming. So what is happening here, because this is very stuck energy, I feel. Okay, you guys might be feeling like, when am I going to see the light at the end of the tunnel? Okay, I've done my work, I'm doing my work. Okay, so what now? Okay, and now what's going to happen? I do sense a big change is coming. Okay, if it has not already come, pile number 1, then it is coming. Okay, you might at this time feel that you are nowhere near your wish. You are just, like, dreaming and just, like, wondering if it will ever happen, blah blah. Okay, but the spirit is bringing up a huge change. Okay, now this change is going to involve you walking away from certain things. Okay, please apply as fits what those things will be. Okay, like, I am seeing this as important things, important people, important things, important relationships, job, career, whatever it is, guys. You need a fresh start here. Okay, you need to reassess, and I think some of you have already started doing that, and some of you, like, you guys might be in varying stages here. Some of you have already taken that leap of faith and left behind certain things and moved on to something new. Some of you are still waiting for some clarity. Some of you are still doing the same thing. Okay, but what is happening behind the scenes is spirit is decluttering your life. You don't need those things anymore. Okay, they are stopping or slowing down. Not stopping, I would say they are slowing down your wish fulfillment incredibly, guys. Okay, so this is what is happening behind the scenes. You're being given a renewal, actually a rebirth. And when I mean a rebirth is not a small thing. It's like death and then you come back again to life, right? That's what rebirth is. So I am sensing a lot of you, because this old thing that you were stuck in is just not suiting your vibrations. Okay, I do feel a lot of you have like increased vibrationally, you have ascended, you have awakened, and that's why these things no longer resonate. You're flying away from these things. Okay, I don't know, you just are meant to fly away and go and carve a path to your dreams now. Okay, this is what is happening behind the scenes. So if it has not started already, guys, you can expect some major changes where you will be walking away from certain like things, people, situations, etc. It might not be easy. Okay, it might not be easy. I am getting that, because for some of you it might even be related to family, kids, like a partner and all of those things. Okay, it might not be easy, but then like the divine never has told us that obviously, morality apart, there are sometimes we have to stay in certain connections due to soul contracts, but I am sensing that right now soul contracts are ending. You are being phased out. You have ascended your vibrations, you have awakened a lot, and now it's like time to walk away. I don't know why I'm getting so strongly here that it might be something to do with family. For some of you, you're ending soul contracts with some family, like wife, child, parent, those kind of things. Okay, you have been working very hard, you have worked very hard to grow, but it's just not it's not happening. It's too slow, and I do feel at this time you guys might be feeling very lost, looking at what direction, I want my wish fulfillment, okay, but it's just not happening. So this is what is happening behind the scenes. Honestly, this is the central card. You are currently going through, have gone through, or will go through a huge death rebirth process. Okay, you are shedding externally. I feel internally you've already shed a lot of conditioning, which is the reason why you're coming to this point now, okay, where you are going to shed even externally. Okay, yeah, like I said, it might not be very easy, okay, but this is necessary and this is going to happen, guys. Okay, or if it hasn't already happened, it will happen. Once this is done, I am feeling that you're going to be feeling free. You're going to be feeling free as a bird, light as a feather. I don't know why I'm getting all these, things in my head. Full of passion, fire. I do sense a lot of your core foundational stuff is changing here. Okay, like home, family, very close connections, or I don't know, financial stability. This is red, right? Red is the base chakra, which means our foundations, right? This is what spirit is doing behind the scenes. Okay, I don't know why I feel you guys sense it with this light hitting this person. I feel you guys sense it. You have matured. Another energy I'm getting is you have grown from Daughter of Coins to Malika of Coins, which is like a double promotion, I would say, because after Daughter of Coins we have Page of Pentacles, Page of Coins, and then we have Queen of Coins. But you guys have graduated like I don't know, it's been a very accelerated awakening is what I'm sensing. If you haven't gone through it already, this is coming, and once this happens, you guys are going to shed a lot of things in the 3D. Okay, once that is done, guys, I am getting that your wish fulfillment will not be very far off. Okay, you have a certain big wish. That's what I'm sensing with these two wish cards over here. Like, this is a big star, right? Star means wish, right? And if you see, this girl is just about she's very near, to be honest. She's very near to the star. And then we have someone holding the wish. I mean, this is a wish bone, right? But there is someone holding the wish in their hands, like physically, tangibly. And it says, wish, your heart's desire is ready to come. So this is what is going to happen, guys. This is what is happening behind the scenes. I am sensing once you shed and all that, this is going to be a very peaceful path. Okay, very emotional, very peaceful path to your wish fulfillment. Okay, and not very far off. I am getting 8. Yeah, 8 is 1 plus 7, that is the star. Okay, you are headed towards your wish fulfillment. After this shedding, there will be no other paths that you will follow. You'll go straight directly to your wish fulfillment. Okay, and I don't sense too much of time as well. Okay, so for some of you, I'm getting like there are two hands holding this wish, right? For some of you, this is related to love. Okay, I'm seeing a red rose here, I'm seeing two hands here, you know. So it might be like a typical scenario I'm getting is maybe you guys have been like, you know, in a family unit and you had your soul contract, you had your obligations because you had, like, you know, you're a parent, perhaps some of you, okay, or some of you have to look after your own parents, you know, grandparents or relatives or kids, or like, I don't know, okay, even people at work or something, okay, like you were just loading it on, okay, onto yourself. It was an obligation, okay, it was not feeling that great, and now what spirit is doing is spirit is ending that obligation. That is what is called a soul contract. End of obligations is soul contract, okay. Soul contract ending. Okay, so when you have cleared this out, okay, of your life, okay, you are getting like, I was telling you about a scenario. So let's say, okay, you are in a family unit, you are a, you know, mother or a father with a kid, and you're like, no, I cannot even visualize walking out of this situation, okay, because I have kids attached to it. All right, however, spirit is actually like, you are at a very big turning point. I don't know, pile number one, this is very important and it's very serious, okay. I think you guys have been stuck in this sort of a situation for a very long time, for I would say 5 years, 8 years for some of you, and this is not healthy. It's not helping your family in any which way or either, okay. You are not happy. Look at this woman, she's sad, she's longing, she's like, you know, looking at the you know, sunlight and waiting for something to happen. The kid is busy playing, growing their things and all that stuff. I really don't sense the kid is very upset or anything, but there's someone here who's very upset. Two people, if it's a family unit. All right, so I don't know, guys, okay. There is something, it's a very serious topic, I would say. It's not a joke. It's not a joke to decide to kind of end things with family, but I don't know, I'm just the messenger, okay. I am getting that soul contracts are ending behind the scenes, and because soul contracts are ending behind the scenes, you guys are going to shed certain obligatory connections. And once you shed obligatory connections, you will get your wish, okay. A lot of you want true love, you know, like a person who vibes with you, who makes you feel, you know, all of these beautiful emotions. This whole path is filled with water, right? Like, you guys have been in disconnect with your soul. This is all pentacles energy. It's so earthy, you know. It's like there's no beauty in life, no love in life, there's no dreams. You guys have literally been like, I don't know, maybe it's not voluntary, maybe this is how everyone does it, right? It's not your fault. It's not your fault, okay. Please don't blame yourself. But now, as you see, like, maybe other people who have done these things and gone for their wish fulfillment, you will do this. Big turning point coming, which is going to lead to your wish fulfillment, guys. For a lot of you, this is love, but please apply as fits, and you will get that person as well, okay. Because I'm seeing a lone person everywhere here, but I'm seeing two people here, okay. You will find your soulmate, all right. Your heart's desire is going to come true. This is what your heart's desire, you need to acknowledge it. But intense changes are coming up or have come up already, okay. Maybe some of you are in the middle of it. Please don't lose hope. I really wish that with this star card, I'm also getting healing, because, you know, after such intense and abrupt and big changes, one does need healing, okay. You will go through a period of healing as well. It's not like, okay, so you ended it and then, you know, boom, you're immediately in a connection. No, you are going to heal a little bit, okay, and after that you are going to get your wish, okay. Now, if this is not about like you know, a family unit or something, this is about work, I am seeing that spirit is doing some magic behind the scenes, okay. You will be walking away from maybe a certain way of working, planning, growing, I don't know, okay. Apply as fits. You're walking away from something that you previously did, in whichever area, okay. And this is because spirit is making you do it behind the scenes, so that you can get this big renewal in your life and get your wish fulfillment. it might not seem easy, I feel, because decluttering is never very easy, right? But you need to reassess things at this time. For people who are like looking at, let's say, work or money or something, you need to reassess the way you're doing things, because it says that reassess what needs to be renewed and give a fresh start. Clean up all the things around you that are cluttering your life. Examine what you resist discarding. This is what you need to do. I don't know. Let's say some of you are like, how can I give you an example of this? Some of you are like in a job, let's say, okay, or some of you are in a home, let's say, okay, it's beautiful, you love your home and this and that, okay, but you need to kind of like, move out, okay, because whatever money you get with that, or whatever place you go, because of leaving your home, that's going to make you have a fresh start and a straight road to your wish fulfillment. Something is there in your life which you need to discard, guys. Reassess. All right, so this is what I'm seeing happening behind. This is going to happen, guys, okay? Even if you don't see it right now, Spirit is saying this is going to happen. All right, be ready for massive changes, big changes up ahead that eventually lead to your wish fulfillment. And when these changes start happening, pile 1, you guys are going to feel peaceful about it, okay? That will be your indicator that this is the correct thing to do. Okay, because I do feel certain tough decisions are coming up, and it's possible you might question at this time that no, I won't be able to do it, I'll go crazy if I do it, that's not right, blah blah. But when this happens, when this death, rebirth, renewal, rebirth happens, you will be very calm after taking this decision, because your soul knows that this is the right thing to do, and your soul, God, wants you to be happy, not stuck. Oh my gosh. So basically, what's happening behind the scenes is preparation for your wish fulfillment. That is how I would sum it up. Okay? Preparation for your wish fulfillment, and a straight and direct path to it without any major obstacles. Okay, guys? So, another thing I'm getting, maybe some of you guys are like, with this wishbone and these 2 cards here, maybe some of you guys are waiting for some sort of a legal agreement or something like that. Some big like news or announcement is coming up, which is going to lead you to become very peaceful and get your wish. Okay, so take that as it resonates as well. I'm getting so many scenarios, but like no matter how tough it seems right now, pile number 1, please know that behind the scenes, all of this is happening so that you can get to your happiness, your true happiness, your heart's contentment. Okay, it might be feeling really tough at this time, I feel, okay, but please do reassess, okay, whatever this is. If you can't do it, obviously don't do it. I feel everything has a time, okay? If you can't do anything about it, don't. All right, but this is what is happening behind the scenes. You will end up doing it whenever the time is right. Big changes up ahead, and good ones for the best is what I'm hearing. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it at that. At that. Okay, bye. Okay, pile 2 with the blue Buddha. This guy does not want to hear. Okay, he is wearing blue, which means there is something about communication. Either you want to communicate something, or you're wanting someone to communicate, but you don't want to hear. Okay, there is a sense of like, there is a sense of like, I'll do what I want, whatever. So, okay, I'm gonna leave him here. I'm getting, for some of you, you guys might be becoming clairaudient. Okay, there might be someone coming in to ask for forgiveness. There is certain news you don't want to hear. Okay, all of that. Let's see your cards. So what is happening behind the scenes for you? Oh my gosh. Marriage. You are attracting emotional fulfillment and unconditional love. Oh, so why don't you want to hear? Let's see. Yeah, okay. 4 of coins. Son of coins. That is Knight of Pentacles. Oh, we got King of Pentacles. Like, what is happening? In the last pile I had a mother-daughter scenario. Here I'm having like a teenage son and father scenario for some of you at least. Okay, anyways, awakening. Your consciousness is awakening. You are becoming attuned to the messages of the spirit and nature. Trust your psychic abilities. Okay, I'm getting it. See, pile number 2, what's happening for you behind the scenes? I really feel with all of the pentacle cards here, 4 of pentacles, son of pentacles, you know, this king of pentacles, I really feel that you guys are very like down to earth and practical people. Okay, you just like, you like to see things with your eyes, then believe it. That's the sort of stuff that's happening. Okay, and that's the kind of person you are. Okay, for a lot of you, I do sense that first of all, you guys might be wanting some sort of like either career stability, money, financial stability, or marriage, wanting to get married. Okay, stability in a relationship. Okay, so now what is happening behind the scenes? See, pile number 2, it's very clear. Right now, you are being awakened to your true self. Okay, there is a huge awakening happening. I think, like, see, with the 4 of coins, knight of coins, king of coins, like, this is all pentacle energy. It's all very, very like down to earth. Okay, maybe at one point you were suppressing you were suppressing certain messages, certain decisions, certain instincts. Okay, maybe for some of you it might have been about love, even, like marriage and love. Maybe like the typical example I'm getting is like, maybe like you were more prone to choose a partner which sort of like fit in your external world rather than your internal world. Okay, so it's possible you were attracted to a certain person, but they were not like maybe your culture, your religion, your financial status, blah blah. Okay, and so you were like, sorry, that doesn't do. Okay, I will have to go by my traditions, I will have to go by my culture, blah blah blah. Okay, all of those things. And so you were resisting going for the things that your heart wanted you to go for. Yeah, with the 4 of coins, I'm seeing a lot of fears here as well. Like, oh my gosh, like if I go for someone like this, what is, I'm actually referring to marriage here because that's the card I've gotten. Okay, so for a lot of you, this is about marriage. Like, should I go for a certain type of person? They are not like me, or they are not in line with my culture, my family traditions, blah blah blah. Okay. I'm not like, I'm just sort of like trying to tell you, the type of attitude. There are fears here, conditionings, fears. Okay, this is limited thinking that you were once. Okay, I don't know, this might be in stages, so take it as it resonates. Okay, but there were conditionings here that you guys that were keeping you guys trapped. Okay, now what is happening behind the scenes is spirit is awakening you. Yes, I do feel it's going to be a slow process, however. Okay, because I'm getting 2 cards of slowness, son of coins, which is the knight of pentacles, and awakening. Okay, where this boat is slowly sailing to this swan. Okay, you are having a big spiritual awakening, and a consistent big spiritual awakening is what I'm getting. Okay, like it might take some time. I feel a lot of you here might be like literally like spot in the middle of it. Okay, but you are, and some of you are like almost there, like you have awakened, like you have seen the light. If you see, this knight of pentacles has made a long journey to get to this horse. Okay, and now he can see very clearly the sun, right? So you guys are now realizing you're coming out of your limitations. Wow, this is amazing. You are coming out of your limitations, your 3D limitations, your fears, maybe related to money, related to family, related to marriage, related to people. I don't know, like maybe everything for some of you. You're finally seeing the light, guys. see, it says your consciousness is awakening. You are becoming attuned to the messages of the spirit and nature. Trust your psychic abilities. Exactly. Okay, you are learning to trust your psychic abilities, signs, synchronicities, getting messages from spirit. I do feel some of you have a spirit animal, which is either a horse or a swan. Okay, but that, irrespective of that, you guys are slowly being opened up to the divine. Okay, your soul is slowly starting to grow and come out of limitations. Okay, any fears. All right, now with the marriage card here, I'm getting you are attracting emotional fulfillment and unconditional love, right? So I think some of the people here, or quite a few of you here, might be wanting true love. Okay, like a very committed and beautiful and stable connection, because the Knight of Pentacles and marriage are where cards of stability. Even the King of Pentacles are is a card of stability. Okay, so I do feel a lot of you want like a very beautiful, stable, committed connection, but it's just like it's not happening, and the more it doesn't happen, the more you get into fears. Okay, like, oh my god, maybe I will run out of time, I'll run out of options, but what spirit is trying to tell you is that if you take this path, okay, you are going to run straight into the one. All right, I'm seeing like so many options back here. You're leaving behind this whole belief about the options part of it. Okay, like the typical example that I'm getting is that maybe you guys have been dating, like you've been dating and it's just not working out. All right, or meeting people and it's not working out, and that is kind of making you feel like, will I ever find the right one? That's the sort of energy I'm getting here. Okay, and the more you meet the wrong one, the more scared you become. All right, so what spirit is doing is they're showing you some sort of light here as to what you are doing wrong. Pile number 2. Okay, with these repeated disappointments and failures in terms of your relationships, I feel. Okay, but please apply as fits. Whatever disappointments, repeated disappointments you're having, whether in finances, in your love life, in your whatever. Okay, so what you guys are being taught by these frequent losses is that, see, you are meant to get there. Okay, I don't know why I'm getting this mainly about love. Okay, you are meant to find the right person, the one. All right, you are, even despite the the what do you call it, disappointments, even despite the disappointments, you will reach your goal. This is like the boat swimming right to the swan, the guy finally seeing the light, and celebrations, right? You will get there. Okay, yeah, I'm getting a very big message. See, pile number 2, I think a lot of you guys in this have faced frequent disappointments. Okay, now apply in whichever area it is. Okay, for some of you I'm seeing finances, financial growth and all that. For some of you I'm seeing like disappointment in love, like relationships, which people you have met and it's just not panned out, leaving you scared. Okay, let's take the financial thing. You're like wanting a promotion, but it's been years and you keep getting skipped up, you don't get that promotion. Let's say business. Okay, you keep investing in something, okay, but you keep crash landing, it doesn't grow. Okay, like take the scenarios as they seem fit. Okay, what spirit is saying is that these disappointments were meant to make you very strong. First thing, okay, they were meant to get you out of your conditioning and make you a warrior, in terms of your wish fulfillment. Okay, like what they say, right? Like there is no giving up when it comes to your wish, right? Try again. That's the sense I'm getting. Okay, you have been made to go deliberately through obstacles. Like behind the scenes, this is the plan. Okay, you have been made to go through obstacles so that you can build your resilience, your faith in your wish, in your own self. Pile number 2. You guys are being made resilient souls behind the scenes. Okay, so that you don't give up on your wishes. All right. And coming to the fact that, like, is your wish coming? As you can see, there is going to be a marriage. A marriage doesn't necessarily mean love. Okay. A marriage could be a marriage of you and your wish, right? If your wish is money, then you're getting it. If your wish is, a brilliant career, you're getting it. For some of you, I do feel that. Okay. It's been a long, hard climb up the ladder, and you're finally getting into that position. You're marrying your wish. Okay. For some of you, this is about love. Okay. You've met so many people, dated so many people, it's not worked out, but finally you're going to meet this person. Okay. This is also a number 2, 47, which adds up to a 2. Okay. Which is the number of partnership. There is a very significant partnership coming in the future. That's another thing that I'm getting in terms of your behind the scenes message. Spirit is keeping a lid on this. Okay. You might still feel, that, it's going to be like a long journey or something like that. But actually, no, you're very near to the point, you're very near to your light. Okay. It's not going to be so far, guys. Even this boat is right near the swan. So if you're feeling that, if you've done whatever it is that I just described, if you've already crossed all those obstacles, met those people, persevered through obstacles, then this is Spirit hiding something very beautiful from you. Okay. I am getting the sense of like some sort of a celebration coming up in the future, which Spirit is working or engineering behind the scenes, and they don't want you to know that. With the 4 of coins, they're hiding it. Okay. I am sensing something about a celebration, party. Okay, it says marriage. So for some of you, it's marriage. For some of you, it's marrying your wish. Okay, whatever your wish is. Okay, whether it is a career or whatever it is, there is a huge celebration coming up which Spirit is working towards. Okay, you will slowly start feeling more and more positive. Okay, you will slowly start getting back your focus if you have lost it. All right, for a lot of you, I'm also getting another thing. Okay, see, at this time, maybe you guys are not seeing very clearly. Okay, I am getting that with the Son of Coins and 4 of Coins. It's like when am I going to see the light? When will I get there already? What Spirit is saying is that you are getting there very soon. You're getting there very soon. You are not being shown things. All right. You're not being shown things by Spirit deliberately, so that you keep going. You keep having the faith. So do not quit having your faith at this time. Pile number 2. Okay, you are going through an awakening as well. This is what I'm getting behind the scenes, energetically. You are awakening and becoming more and more stronger in your faith and your determination, your perseverance, and facing challenges. All right. Awakening says your consciousness is awakening. Yeah, you're rising in consciousness. You're becoming attuned to the messages of the Spirit and nature. Trust your psychic abilities. Yeah, I'm also getting that you will be getting signs in nature. Okay, maybe some of you are going to be having like some sort of like a view of the sun in a certain way, in a very beautiful way, as you can see here. Some of you are going to be seeing certain animals such as horses or swans. Some of you could be seeing falling stars. I'm getting. Okay, like you are getting these signs, flowers. Okay, but you need to pay attention. This is signs that your psychic abilities are also increasing. As you awaken, obviously your psychic abilities also increase. If some of you are worried about your finances, that you'll ever, will you ever be like, out there, like will you ever be at the top of your game or not? You will. I'm seeing the King of Coins, which is a very rich and very, very financially well-off person. Okay, so please drop the fear. This is what I'm hearing. Please drop the fear. The divine is around you. They are deliberately trying to awaken you through all these obstacles. Do not give up. And very soon they are planning the marriage of you with your wish. So this could be a literal marriage with the person of your dreams, or with the marriage with the kind of dream career you want, or whatever wish you guys have. Okay. Maybe you have a dream person I'm getting in mind. You are getting there. Okay. So I do sense this is going to be a bit of a slow process. I don't know why. I do sense that with the Knight of Coins awakening, with the ship sailing, maybe you guys have been going through this sort of phase. Yeah, this sort of a phase for maybe 4 years for some of you, 2 years for some of you, 4 years for some of you. Okay, and you might be wondering, like, why don't things work out? Why is the same pattern repeating on and on and on and on? This is the reason. You are being taught to persevere, because people who persevere finally win the race, right? So this is what I'm getting for you, pile 2. How beautiful. Okay, do not give up. Spirit is up to a lot of beautiful things behind the scenes for you. All you need to do is be strong at this time, okay, and have faith, belief that there is a divine, and they do see everything and will make everything happen, because it's going to be a very beautiful conclusion to whatever this wish of yours is. Okay. All right, so this is what I'm getting, guys. Okay, pile 2, bye. So pile number 3 with the brown Buddha. Okay, so this guy doesn't want to talk. Maybe you guys are feeling exceptionally like quiet, wanting your solitude at this time. Okay, brown is also the color of earth, right? So maybe you are trying to ground yourself in solitude. You might not be feeling like being too talkative at this time, and I do sense that, yeah, there is a big energy of trying to ground oneself. Okay, yeah, and it's like, you want to say stuff, okay, but you feel it's not the right time. That's the sense I'm getting from your blue guy. Sorry, your brown guy. Okay, so let's have a look at what is going on behind the scenes for you guys, pile 3. Let's see. Star, hard times are over. Look forward to an abundance of happiness, enthusiasm, and positivity. Oh, I'm so glad I did this reading. Okay. Oh my God, the sun, Shams, 19. This is the sun. We have the star, we have the sun. Like, what is going on? Forces of nature. 3 of Cups, and I see the moon here. I have the star, sun, and moon. Like, what is happening? 3 of Cups is celebration. God, what is happening? This is another major arcana. This is the Judgment. Wow, what is happening, guys? I don't know. Something big in this pile. House and buildings. What does the house or the rooms of the house represent to you? Is it in order or is it a mess? What state are you in? Okay. So what is happening behind the scenes for you guys? See, okay. See, the first thing that Spirit is asking me to ask you guys is, like, how are you feeling at this time? Okay, like with this house buildings, I'm getting like, what is your state of mind at this time? When you understand your state of mind, you will know how close you are to this beautiful happy time that is coming your way. Okay, that's the only thing. I'm getting this as number 1, okay, which is a beginning. This is also a number 1. I mean, there's something about 1 to 3. Yeah, the numbers I'm getting is 1 to 3. In 1 to 3 months, like, everything is going to change. In case you guys, I mean, I don't know, I'm a bit speechless in this whole pile. I have all major arcana: star, sun, moon, and Judgment. Like, what am I supposed to say? Like, this energy is giving me kind of like, like speechlessness. Like, I cannot tell you in words exactly how beautiful a time that is coming for you. Pile 3. Okay. Now, see, what they're saying is, like, you will know how close you are to your dream. Okay, I do feel, star, it says, like, hard times are over, look forward to an abundance of happiness and all of that. See, I have a feeling with this, like, for you guys, it's been like a very long path. I don't know, you've had to go through many ups and downs, and like rest stops, and then again moving, and this and that, but you're reaching the final goal is what I'm getting. Okay, now ask yourself, what is the state you are in? See, it says, what does the house or the rooms of the house represent to you? Ask yourself this question, okay? Like, for example, for me, my room or my house indicates or suggests to me peace, comfort, a haven, sanctuary, that kind of stuff. All right. So is it in order or is it a mess? That's another big thing, because I do feel that your home is a very big indication of what's going on in your internal world. Okay. Meaning that if it's messy, cluttered up, filled, the drawers are filled and this and that, it means that like you are in a messy state of mind. All right. If you have just done, let's say, spring cleaning or something like that, then you know that there is a very clean and clear time coming up. Okay. Through your like your external space, you will know where you are. That's the biggest message I'm getting right now. Okay. Because the path is eventually going to lead to this. All right. Like this, all of this beauty, an explosion of beauty actually. Okay. However, you will know the time of it through kind of gauging how is your external surrounding. Okay. Now this could be literally your home, how it looks, the clutter around, or it could even be in terms of relationships. Are your relationships peaceful and harmonious, or are you, with conflicting people, right? So, or even for that matter, even your workspace, like everything external to you is going to tell you what is coming in the future. Such a unique message. Okay. But this is what the divine wants me to tell you. All right. So if you guys are feeling that everything is in order, you are having peaceful connections, you are, calm, and you're not too troubled about the future, then you know that this is right around the corner, guys. Okay. But if you guys are at this time dealing with some sort of conflicts or ups and downs and all of that stuff, then you know that it's a little bit longer. Okay. It's eventually going to come, but it's going to be a little bit longer. Okay, now let's get to the main thing. See, I don't know like what exactly to tell you here, but I'm seeing all the forces of nature here, to be honest. Okay, I'm seeing all the forces of nature here: the star, the sun, the moon. Okay, so what I'm getting here is that, see, this time, there is a time coming in your life. This is what is being planned behind the scenes for you, pile 3. Okay, there is a time coming in your life that is going to be so happy that you are going to be touching the sky, you're going to be touching the heavens, is what I'm hearing. Okay, at this time, I think, or in the past, you have literally been like awakened more and more and more and more and more. I don't know why I'm sensing with this pile, you've had multiple transformations, multiple awakenings. I'm seeing these buildings, crooked buildings, so multiple walking away from situations that are not like, fitting into your life, because your vibration keeps increasing, right? The road keeps going up. Okay, so you guys have been awakened to such an extent that now the universe wants to give you many blessings, pile 3. Okay, like this is literally like the people in this pile are the divine's sons and daughters. Okay, like everyone is, but you guys have done an exceptional job at like literally touching the vibrations of the divine, is what I'm hearing. Okay, and so why wouldn't happiness come to you then, when you worked so hard? I do sense you've had a huge, like, you've had so many ups and downs, pile number 3, that I just like, I don't know, I'm like very proud of you guys. Okay, like big pat on the back for keep going, for keeping on going on. Okay, you have literally like walked away from very tough things in your life. You've gotten back up, you've still traveled, you've kept sight of your goal, you have believed in the divine. Like, gosh, I think some of you might even be guides, or if not guides, then you are helping people as well in this. I'm seeing people everywhere. I'm seeing like so many mummies. This girl is trying to sort of play a flute to them. I'm seeing these 3 people here dancing. I'm seeing one person helping another. You guys have, despite the troubles of your own journey, despite the like I'm getting a very divine and like holy type of an energy here. Okay, like you guys are very ascended souls, I sense. Okay, you go through your obstacles heroically, but you also help others. Okay, and so the divine is very happy with you. The behind the scenes people are like super duper impressed by you. Pile number 3 is what I'm getting. I'm getting a big sense of that. You guys are celebrating you. The divine is seeing you as a star. Okay, they want to, like, you shine for the divine is what I'm getting. Okay, like you are class, you're a class apart. You are a star in terms of the divine. Oh my god, I am so in awe of this whole pile. Okay, so an abundance of blessings is coming your way, pile 3. This is what the divine is planning behind the scenes. You're very close. You are like, just, it's right around the corner. Like I said, look at the state of your life right now and you will be able to gauge. Okay, it's, you're getting to goal, you know, you're getting to goal. This is just the last trip. Okay, the last path. You are just like one lap more is what I'm hearing. Okay, but I'm also getting that this time, this time that is gonna sort of end, what do you call it, whatever time that passes before you go towards this goal of yours. Okay, it's going to be relatively peaceful. It's going to be full of happiness, honestly. You're going to be feeling calm. Okay, you're going to be feeling very hopeful. You're going to be feeling very happy as well, like almost as though you can intuitively feel a celebration coming into your life. Okay, because you guys are very connected to the divine, I'm sensing. Okay, so behind the scenes they're just planning many blessings for you is what I can say, guys. I mean, yeah, okay, so in terms of tangible things I'm getting, see, first thing I'm getting with the sense I'm getting is something about travel or relocation, shifting to maybe a dream home or something like that, because you know, I see like there are all these blue buildings here, but here is a beautiful pink home, you know. So I am sensing for some of you there is a you know, like a home change to a very beautiful place, a dream home. Okay, for some of you it's a location change. Okay, or for some of you it's going to be frequent travel. There's something about travel and the change of a house that's coming up. Okay, a house that you are going to love like crazy. Okay, now the second thing that I'm getting over here is that, see, there are many wish fulfillments coming in. Okay, many wish fulfillments coming in with so many stars here. All right, now you have been through hard times. I did say that, like, hard times are over. They're saying hard times are over. Okay, so if you feel that, oh my gosh, I'm gonna fall again, I'm gonna have to, like, you know, get up again, you'll still do it. I feel you guys are very resilient. Your faith is amazing. Okay, you'll still do it, but it's just that there might be this feeling in you that, you know, like when am I getting to goal? It's been too tough a journey for you guys, I feel. Okay, but you won't give up. But the divine wants you to know that things are going to be peaceful now. Hard times are over. So your biggest battles have already been fought. Okay, this last lap is going to be quite smooth. Okay, look forward to an abundance of happiness, enthusiasm, and positivity. This is what I'm seeing with the sun. This is an explosion of happiness. So many wishes are going to be granted to you. You're going to feel emotionally calm. You're going to feel like, I cannot begin to tell you how. Okay, you're going to be radiating light, pile number 3. You're going to be so happy, it's going to show. You know, and I'm seeing that everyone's going to be celebrating you in the 5D behind the scenes, as well as here in 3D as well. There might be something about the public eye here. I mean, coming to tangibilities, many wish fulfillments, one after the other, but one big wish fulfillment. Okay, and many others to follow. Second thing, calmness and peace and happiness. And after a very calm period where you're traveling this last lap, there's an explosion of happiness coming in. And I am sensing this is going to be like fairly unexpected, like, you know, a big surprise, because 20, the card of judgment, right? In this judgment card, you see people are not able to see. Okay, but there are butterflies that are just landing, you know, like your guides are planning many beautiful things. behind the scenes, okay? I mean, they're already partying pile number 3, okay, because they know how happy you're going to be. It's simply amazing. Like, here you are just doing your work and this and that, but you are not aware of how many beautiful things the divine, this spirit world, your guides are planning for you behind the scenes. You're not supposed to know. I do sense that, okay? Like, you're not supposed to know this, all right? It's just gonna sneak up on you, like literally, all right? I'm seeing with the sun card here, okay? If someone doing something, I think making a castle or something, and there is like one person here who's assisting them, so you might be very absorbed in your work or something like that, but you don't know that this big phase of amazing and explosive happiness is hovering right above you. You don't know it. I mean, I literally see, like, forces of nature hovering above you, okay? The stars are hovering above you, the sun is, and the moon as well. I'm also getting another thing. There is something about a group thing here. Like, I feel that you people might either already be in a soul tribe of sorts, okay? Or you're going to come into a soul tribe and all of these people are going to have these blessings. I don't know how this happens, honestly. It's almost like I'm getting, obviously, soul tribe means we're connected through our souls, right? So obviously what happens to us, it's going to radiate to the others as well, right? That's how it works, at least with soul tribe, okay? So one message I'm getting is the happiness that is coming to you guys will come to your soul tribe as well. All right, so that all of you can ascend, all of you can emanate this beautiful light and send it to the creator. Okay, like, I know it's a very deep message, but that's what I'm getting. Okay, like, it's gonna ascend the planet in some massive way is another thing I'm getting. Like, you guys are leveling up the planet. You and your soul tribe are leveling up the planet through your light. Okay, now coming back, I don't know where I went. So coming back, I'm getting that your soul tribe also is going to be getting all these happiness and the blessings. So if you're worried about your friends, like, what if I get this and they don't? Guys, no. All of your tribe is getting it. I'm seeing multiple stars here. I'm seeing multiple people here. I'm seeing multiple people here. 2 people here. Your whole soul tribe is being blessed. Pile number 3. Oh my God. Like, this is what is happening behind the scenes. All of you guys have ascended to some sort of a even level, I'm getting, or something like that. Like, it's very technical. I can't exactly explain to you, but all of you are vibrating at a certain frequency right now. And this is the time when, like, you guys want to pull down the blessings of heaven on all of you together. I don't know why I'm not getting this as just an energy for you. I'm getting this for, like, your soul tribe, the people around you, people you lead, people you follow. I don't know, there's something about people who are close to you who are also going to be experiencing many happinesses many wish fulfillments. Okay, right now, what else am I getting? I'm getting, like, you guys are going to be looking very good. Some of you are going to be in the public eye. I feel you're going to be stars. You're going to have a following as well. Okay, that's another blessing that I'm getting, that they are working behind the scenes on. Okay, perhaps you are you're skilled at something. I feel, like this lady playing a flute. You're skilled at something and people want this. People don't know perhaps the skill or how to come into it, or what it involves. That you will be teaching that skill to people, and as a result, you are going to be someone, like, well known, I feel. Okay, with the Judgment, the Star, the Sun, the 3 of Cups, there is something major about the public eye coming up, guys. Okay, they are working about this. You're going to be guiding or leading people in some capacity, okay, to their own happiness. I don't know why I feel you guys are going to be some sort of leaders. This is what the divine is planning behind the scenes. Okay, so that is one. Now, second thing that I'm getting over here is you're going to be looking. I'm stumbling over my words because they're making me channel like big time in this pile 3. Anyways, so some of you are going to be looking very good. Like, a butterfly is transforming, right? So these are mummies and they're transforming into butterflies. If some of you have gone on some sort of a weight loss program or fitness or something, you're going to be, coming out celebrating here. Okay, because you will achieve your goal, right? You will achieve your wish. It might take some time, or for some of you I'm getting it's going to happen suddenly. Okay, I don't know why. For some of you I'm getting it's going to happen suddenly, and you're going to be like, what the heck, I lost like 10 kgs in like 2 months. How is that possible? Yeah, so that's another thing. You guys are going to be looking very good. People are going to be looking up to you. Okay, they're going to be following you. They're going to be thinking you're a star. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, now what was the other thing that I was getting? Yeah, for some of you I'm also getting that there is a very big wish you have. Okay, a huge wish that you have, like a particular wish is what I'm getting. And with the star, the sun, the moon, I'm getting it's a very big wish. It might not be something small. It stands out. Okay, it's something between you and the divine, and this wish is coming in, and it's going to come in so unexpectedly. It's going to blow your mind, guys. Okay, it's going to come in very rapidly, very, very suddenly. All right, you will not see this coming at all. You're going to be peaceful, you're going to be doing your whatever you do, and suddenly it's like, lands on you. Why do I see that, right? And this is what your guides are planning. There is a celebration coming up when your wish is done, this big wish. Okay, your guides are like very happy behind the scenes. Your higher selves are planning it. Your guides are very happy behind the scenes. The entire divine is happy, because you're going to get your due now. Okay, I really feel it's been a long time coming, guys. Okay, so there is an explosion of happiness coming here. Like I said, I'm seeing you looking good. I'm seeing you in the public eye. I'm seeing you get your biggest wish. I'm seeing your soul tribe being blessed. I'm seeing your family being blessed. I'm seeing like you becoming some sort of an inspiration, a star of some sort, like the change of a location, getting into your beautiful dream home. And like, what else can I say, guys? Okay, there's something also here about a party, a sudden party, maybe, that you will be going to. Maybe it's going to happen like you will be getting an invitation and you will travel there or something like that. Okay, and then the party starts, is what I'm hearing. Then the party starts. But like, what can I tell you? Like, I don't need to elaborate more, but see, the time that is coming for you, pile 3, which the divine is working for behind the scenes, is a time full of like, extreme happiness, I feel. And for a very long time, because these are like all major arcanas, forces of nature, sun, moon, stars. Like, it's almost like the universe wants to bless you now. Like, I really feel that you guys have had a very tough, whatever your journey has been. Okay, you had a very tough journey. You have transformed so many times that I think you've even forgotten what you used to be like at one point of time. Okay, so now the divine is going to literally shower blessings on you. Like, this is like a shower of sun, moon, stars. Like, what can I say? They are working at this behind the scenes. It's very close. I cannot begin to tell you how close this is, pile number 3. I cannot begin to tell you how close this is. I'm getting 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. This is 1. This is 1. This is 2. And this is 3. 1, 2, 3. It's like countdown. The countdown has begun, is what I'm hearing. The countdown has begun for your amazing blessings. You will see a very dreamy time. I'm literally seeing, like, I'm hearing heaven on earth for you guys and for your tribe. So you are doing something, guys. Okay, I don't know, I'm also getting an energetic message. You have been essential in raising the vibrations of your tribe, or people around you, or people you're connected to in a major way. Okay, no matter what you did, big or small, you have done this through your own illumination, through your own enlightenment. Okay, and now everyone gets to enjoy the fruits of your labor. I mean, yes, they have also done their work, obviously. Okay, but it's like, it's a group thing. Like, everyone has worked for their wish, and now everyone's gonna get it. That's the sense I'm getting. Okay, I don't know what this is. Pay attention to your intuition at this time. Keep up the hope when you can't see much. Okay, your blessings are going to burst upon you, and this is what is happening behind the scenes. They are planning this. They're giving you away like a timeout situation, I feel. You know, they're like, let her do or let him do whatever they want. Let them chill, let them rest, let them relax, because there's so much coming in the future. You will look back on this rest time and say that, oh my gosh, like, thank heavens I had rest. Keep yourself hopeful, keep yourself peaceful, hopeful, and wait for a celebration coming up soon. Okay, things are gonna happen very suddenly, one after the other. Okay, start getting prepared for it, guys. Okay, lot of beautiful stuff is coming. The whole universe is planning for your happiness. Okay. With that, I'm going to leave it, pile 3. I hope you enjoyed this. It's been a total pleasure reading for pile 3, I must say. Okay, bye.